Here, and ImAlwaysInHotWater.com on this 2017 Hurricane Fun Deck 226 RE, and we are powered by a 150 Yamaha. Now, I'm just going to run this boat for a little bit of maneuverability and performance, which may be skewed depending on what debris we have on the bottom. It's a boat that sits in the water, so we'll assume we'll know that when we get out. But here we go. We're just cruising right now at about 1,500 RPMs and running about 5 miles per hour. And let's just see what we got. And I'm going to try and do this and drive at the same time. It's not a center console. Let's just give it a little juice. Let's hit it out of the hole. Woo! Maybe I'll sit down for that. Take it wide open. Right now we're running about 32 miles an hour. Actually, it's a little quicker than I thought. Edge it up a little bit. Edge it down. So we're running 5,500 RPMs. And we're doing about 34 miles an hour, 33.1. Smooth water, obviously. I'm going into the wind. Engine down. It's our slowest performance. Woo! Whee! Man. Just take it down a little bit. And let's do it. Oh, yeah. You gotta be careful when you go this fast, cutting those turns. Alright, let's take it down. And let's just rip it around. Woo. Yeah. Wow, she's spry. Alright. Alright, let's take it full stop and we'll do that again. Out of the hole. And let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Woo! She wants to move. Alright. Alright. Red. Alright, we're gonna cut up around the bend over here. Bottom looks like she may even increase in performance. Anyway, that'll do it. Rob out here at ImAlwaysInHotWater.com. Not bad. The boat is definitely a little quicker than I thought it would be. I thought it would be a little putsy. And engine all the way down. In addition, we took some big wakes coming before we got to the bridge, and she handled real nice. So overall, I'll give it my stamp of approval. Rob at ImAlwaysInHotWater.com signing off.